unboxing of my Canon M50, or rather the re-unboxing of my Canon M50. Alright guys, welcome. This video is just to kill the myth that your camera never comes back from Canon on time, like it takes forever. You know, the damage happened since last year, which is like 8 months ago, when the camera was still very brand new. That's when I damaged the camera, and I only sent it for repairs like 2 weeks ago, and it's right here. Alright, so here we are right here at Canon's office. So I'm here to make a payment. So you want to take a look at this Canon lenses? Oh no. Now the way that this works, first of all, you need to create your Canon account, user account, type in your password, create your password and all that. So let's assume you already have an account. You go ahead and sign in, and it will, for the Canon site, it will show you automatically what your products are, what items you've bought with them, and or registered with them. Where if you buy your camera, even if it's from Amazon, you could come on the site and register with them, and then they know you have this product, especially for warranty reasons. They know that you bought their product, and you can just go over to that will secure your warranty. Now you go to service and repair, and then depending on what you're trying to do, request for a repair, for product repair, request for product repair, approve or check in or check upon your product, or find a location if you want to go physically to drop off and pick up, or to make payment like I did. So there they will ask for your information, your camera information. You go ahead and type whatever camera you own. In my case, it's I'm gonna go ahead and type in M50, the body only. I guess it means the same thing. Yeah, put in your zip code and the serial number for your product. And then if you have a warranty, if you signed up for a warranty, you go ahead and put on your warranty, because you could sign up and say, even if I I'm careless about the product, you know, it's like an insurance. You could go ahead and you know, put that out, they'll take care of it. But in this case, it was my fault, and even though I have a 1-year warranty on my camera, it was my fault, or rather it was natural disaster due to wind that my camera got bad. So yes, I still go ahead and put it 1 year, but it didn't give me any discounts, I guess, or at least they didn't say. So when the process is on, after you submitted it to them, you go on the site again, probably like a day or two later, when you know that they should have received your product. You type up your, you know, information, and it will tell you the update on your camera. Because when you sign on initially and you send in the product, they give you a repair ID number, which will be your follow-up number. So when you want to check up on your product, you go and type in the repair number, which will be in an email, and then you will see the latest information about your product. So I guess that's pretty straightforward. It wasn't no stress, wasn't a problem. As soon as they said that they got the item and they sent me the bill, I quickly drove over to Canon and made the payment, because I had fraud issues with my card, and it was off only any online payment for a while till it was sorted out. Anyway, so I had to drive there and make the payment physically to swipe the card. A week after that, my camera, actually it was 4 days after that, my camera was ready and it was being shipped to me. So about 3 or 4 days afterwards, I got it. It was actually less than 2 weeks, so give and take, it wasn't up to 2 weeks, which I thought it was okay. Then again, now to fix it up, it cost me $245. So I'll put the right fingers on the screen too, which I think is not bad. The side screen, you know, instead of trying to go fix it, I don't know, I see some people doing some stuff on YouTube trying to replace their side screen or stuff like that. It can never be the same, and then you lose the warranty on your product. This is just to debug the whole myth of don't go to Canon. If it's a cheap camera, yes, you could try and do whatever. You know you're not going to feel it. I know this is a cheap camera anyway, but in fact it is worth more than the price, so I don't want to mess with it. So let's unbox it and see how it came delivered. Yeah. Okay. Alright, this is like if you have any questions regarding service of your equipment, blah blah blah, contact us. Estimate reflects clean and check of all functions, repair to good working order of all functions. Now let's see, let's open on the screen and see. So thank you guys for watching, but I gotta go right now and, you know, set up my camera and go do some shots that I've been waiting for, some ideas that I've been waiting to create for you guys. Now I can go do it. So hit the subscribe button, like if you like this, comment, go ahead and let me know your experiences, and I'd love to hear from you about what camera you damaged, how the fixing was, where you fixed it, what are the options, how much you paid, how much you couldn't pay because it was too expensive, if you have to go get another camera. Let me know in the comments below, and of course like this button if you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video. I gotta go shoot, okay, right about now.